Make a great choice today with the 2021 Wrangler. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, 8 speakers, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.